my name is Anya and I really like churros and I have done a video on it before. I'll link that video. But I want to use the same flavors like cinnamon sugar, caramel sauce and chocolate sauce into a cake. So I'm going to adapt those flavors into a cake and make a churro cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a pot over medium heat, add in 1 cup of cream and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Bring to the boil. Cook for about 10 minutes. Add in a half a cup of condensed milk and mix until well combined. Allow the mixture to cool completely. To half a cup of white sugar, add in 2 teaspoons cinnamon and mix until well combined. To a bowl, add in 2 cups of self-raising flour, 2 1/3 cup plain flour, 3/4 cup brown sugar, a pinch of salt, a half a cup oil, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, and mix until well combined. Add half of the batter to a prepared baking tin. Sprinkle on half of the cinnamon sugar mixture. And 1/4 cup of the caramel sauce. Cover up with the cake batter. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. In a bowl with a half a cup of chopped up chocolate, add in 1/4 cup of hot cream and mix until smooth. Once the cake comes out of the oven, pour some melted butter on top and spread it out. Poke holes into the cake with the back of a wooden spoon. Cover the cake in cinnamon sugar. And pour caramel over. Then cover the cake in some chocolate. Cut into the cake and enjoy!